Hello everyone, very good morning to all of you. Today I will discuss PLD, Programmable Logic Device. It is of three type: PLA, Programmable Logic Array; PAL, Programmable Array Logic; ROM, Read Only Memory. Okay, in PLA, in PAL, in ROM, these contain AND array followed by OR array, and depending upon the structure we decide whether it is PAL, whether it is PLA or ROM. This is your PLA, programmable logic array; PL, programmable array logic; and ROM. In this PLA, okay, what type of structure? There is AND array. Okay, AND array, it is collection of similar elements, so it is group of AND gates, and it is followed by OR array. Okay, OR array. Here we give input, and from here we take output. This is your structure of your PLD, programmable logic device. Now in PLA, okay, in PLA, AND array and OR array. PLA, in this AND is programmable as well as OR is programmable. In PL, AND is programmable, but OR are fixed, means it is not programmable, it is fixed. In ROM, in read only memory, AND is fixed and OR is programmable. Okay, you have to remember this thing. In PLA, AND is programmable, OR is also programmable. In PAL, AND is programmable but OR is fixed. ROM, AND fixed and OR programmable. Okay, means what is PLA? In this, programmable AND array is followed by programmable OR array. It is programmable as well as this is programmable. In PAL, this is your PAL. In this, AND array is programmable but OR array is fixed. Okay, in this OR array is fixed. In ROM, AND is fixed and OR is programmable. Okay, suppose I want to make PLA. How you will write down? In this is your programmable AND array. Okay, programmable AND array, and it is followed by programmable OR array. Okay, programmable OR array. Take input from here, inputs, and this is your outputs. Okay, in case of PL, what will happen? It is programmable but OR array is fixed. In ROM, it is fixed but it is programmable. Okay, now we will implement any boolean function by using PLA, PAL and ROM. Now you can implement any boolean function by using PAL, PLA or ROM. The very first step, what is the very first step? You have given Boolean expression, okay, either in SOP form or in POS form. First of all, you will minimize. Suppose F1, F1, F1 is sigma m 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, suppose it is function of ABC. Function of ABC. Suppose F2 is sigma m 0, 3 and 7. 0, 3, 7. Now you have to implement this function by using PLA, PAL or by using ROM. Okay, you need to follow this method. First of all, we will minimize either by using K-map or by using Boolean algebra so that minimum number of gates required. Okay, F1 sigma m 3567. You are already aware with this. Okay, I am not solving here by using K-map because you have seen already this expression. This 3567, this is nothing. What is this? This is carry of full adder. So you know the expression. So F1 will be AB plus BC plus CA. Okay, what is this? This is full adder C out. Okay, now F2. What is F2? It is 037. Again, it is function of ABC. So 0 you can write down. A 0 means A bar, B bar, C bar plus 3 A bar BC plus ABC. Either you can use K-map or Boolean laws and theorem. A bar, B bar, C bar plus take common BC. So BC, A plus A bar is nothing, it is 1. Okay, A bar, B bar, C bar plus BC. This is your F2 and F1 is, this is F1, this is your F2, right? Now we will implement by using PLA. In PLA, programmable AND array is followed by programmable OR array. So first of all, we will make 3 buffer. Okay, because input variable are 3 A, B, C. So you will make 3 buffer A, B and C. This is A, okay, B and this is your C. A, B, C. Okay, from here this is your bubble. From here you will get A, and from here you will get what? A bar. Similarly, from here you will get B, from here you will get B bar, from here you will get C, from here you will get C bar. Okay, now total how many AND gates are required? Okay, here 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, but this BC is common. This BC is common, so you will make only one time because both AND as well as OR are programmable. So total how many product term, how many AND gates are required? 4. One for AB, one for BC, one for CA, one for A bar, B bar, C. Not for this BC because we have already included here. So first AND term, just you will make here one AND term. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is AND array. What is this? I am implementing by using first PLA. Okay, I am implementing by using this PLA. What is AB? A, where is A? A, B. This is your AB. Okay. Next, BC. BC means B from here and C from here. This is your BC. This is your BC. This one. Next, CA. What is C? C from here and A from here. C and A. Okay. Next, A bar, B bar, C bar. A bar, B bar and C bar. This is your A bar, B bar, C bar. Now, how many OR gates are required? It depends upon how many output functions are available. Here two functions F1 and F2. Two functions are available, so we will make two OR gate. Okay, so we will make two OR gate, 1 and 2. 1. This is your F1. Suppose there are three functions F1, F2, F3. Then you require three OR gate. F1 and this is your F2. Now what is F1? F1 is AB. This is AB. Okay, this is AB. This is BC. This is CA. This. What is F1? AB plus BC plus CA. Just connect here. AB plus BC plus CA. This is your F1. What is F2? F2 is A bar, B bar, C bar. So from where A bar, B bar, C bar is coming? From here. A bar, B bar, C bar plus BC. From where? BC is coming from here. So this is your F2. In this OR is programmable, means we can reuse this BC for this F2 again. In F1 we are using this BC. Again in this F2 we are using this BC. So it is programmable. This is the implementation by using AND gate. Okay. Now I will implement by using PAL. Okay, I will implement the same function by using PAL. This PAL. Okay. Again by using PAL. Again there are three inputs. So A, B, C. So A. From here A, B. You can also take from here. Okay, or you can take from here. You can also take here and just make bubble from here. Okay, I am taking the same way. 1, 2, 3. A, B and C. This is your A. This is A bar. This is B. This is bubble. Okay, this is B bar. This is C. This is C bar. Now total how many AND gates are required? This is very, very important while you are implementing any Boolean function by using PL. Okay, in this OR array is fixed, means not programmable. So total how many AND gates are required? Total AND gates required are total number of AND terms in both function f1 and f2. Total how many AND terms are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5. Now we will not make common to it this BC. So 3 here, 2 here. In case of PL, we were taking only 4 AND terms. Now 5 AND terms are required. Okay, because we cannot again take this BC, because in PAL OR array is fixed. So 5 AND term. I am taking 5 AND term. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is 5. Okay. Now what is this? This is AB. A, B. This is your AB. BC. This is your BC. Okay. BC means this is your B. This is your C. C from here and C bar from here. Next CA. C, A. C from here and A from here. Okay. This is your what? CA. Next, what is this F2? A bar, B bar, C bar. A bar, B bar, C bar. So this is your A bar. Sorry, this is not A bar. A bar this, B bar, active low from bubble. A bar, B bar, C bar. Okay. This is nothing. Next, BC. BC. Okay. B from here, C from here. Again, how many OR gates are required? 2. Why? Because 2 functions are there, F1 and F2. Suppose there are 3 functions, F1, F2, F3, then we require 3 OR gate. This is 1. Okay. And this is another one. This is very simple. Just you need to remember these things. Now this OR array is fixed. Okay. OR array is fixed. This is AB, this is BC, this is CA, this is BC. Okay, what is F1? AB. Now just it is fixed, so I will make it AB plus BC plus CA. So this is your F1. Okay, AB plus BC plus CA. Now what is F2? A bar, B bar, C bar plus BC. Okay. So this is this is BC. Now I am not using this BC here. I am making separate AND gate for this because it is fixed. This is implementation by using what? PAL, programmable array logic. Now last we will implement by using what? By using ROM. Okay, read only memory. Read only memory. ROM. The same function I will implement by using ROM. What is F1? F1 is sigma M 3567. Okay. F2 is sigma M 037. Now you are already aware with decoder, so it is better to implement by using decoder. You know, in decoder we get AND term in outputs, so we require only OR gate. Okay, so maximum term is 7, so 3 to 8 decoder is sufficient. So 3 to 8 decoder is sufficient 3 1 2 3 3 2 8 decoder. This is A, this is B, this is C. Output Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, Y3, Y4, 5, 6, and this is your Y7. Okay, 3 4 5 6 7, 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, you know, we are getting already n terms here. This is nothing, this is A bar, B bar, C bar. Y0, this is Y1, this is Y2, this is Y3, this is Y4, Y5, Y6, Y7. So in this case and is fixed, you do not change. Okay, this and terms only, or is programmable. So accordingly we will do 0 3 5 6 7. Okay, 2 OR gates are required. 3 5 6 7. This is your F1, this is your F2. 3 5 6 7. This is 3. Okay, 5 6, and this is your 7. Okay, 3 5 6 7. All right. F2 is sigma m 0 3 7. 0 3 and 7. In this way you can implement, okay, any boolean function by using ROM, by using PLA, by using PAL. Okay, you can practice for full adder, full subtractor, or any other function. All right, it's all about your today lecture. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.